My name's Robert Molina with Collision Care Express. I'm the owner, but I'd rather be called a manager as I'm just another tool in the toolbox. In the 60s and the 70s, there were body shops. Now, when you have a facility like this that has all this engineering and all this technology, we like to consider this a collision center. This collision center here really prides itself on what we do, is to make the car look exactly how it did right before the accident. Whatever it takes to get there is what we're trying to do, and that's our ultimate goal. As of right now, we have 26 employees that work for this company that make everything happen, and we're growing every day. This is one of the big masterpieces of our facility. It's this room right here. It's very sophisticated. It's a whole computerized system that we verify, document with computer technology, the before and after, so we can verify what we need to do. And after we do our repairs, we document that and we do the same scan over just to make sure that we did the repairs properly. We have an unbelievable sophisticated suspension alignment system. We have the most sophisticated paint system there is. We use water-based technology from PPG, American technology. We are considered ICAR Gold certified, the whole shop together, not just one individual. Dade, Broward, and Palm Beach County. Those are the big counties in South Florida. In all three counties, we have the best Yelp, Google, Facebook, any review that's out there, we're on top. I want to see a smile on my customer's face when they come pick up that vehicle. The right way to do it is to do it right, and our customers know that we're going to do it right. They're not expecting anything but that. So if you're thinking about where to bring your vehicle, this is the perfect place. Why would you bring your vehicle anywhere else? You're getting a lifetime warranty with everything that we do, anywhere in the country.